Metal and concrete roofs, walls and pavements absorb heat. A hot roof increases a building's energy consumption. In fact, a 1 degree centigrade drop in internal temperature can provide a 10% power saving and as such considerable overall power savings for property. A building's thermal performance, building envelope, can be improved by making it more reflective to the sun's solar rays. Reflecting a high percentage of solar rays will assist in reducing the amount of heat being generated, consequently assisting in reducing human discomfort, energy cooling costs, and the environmental impact. As an architect, engineer, or homeowner, when renovating, designing, and/or constructing energy-efficient buildings, one important design element to consider is how to reflect the solar rays that generate heat. Introducing SolarCoat's heat-reflective range of coatings, which will change your approach to building design envelope, restoration, and maintenance. Our pastel and dark color coatings will assist in reducing the amount of sunlight your building absorbs and lower the heat build-up on all construction surfaces. The results are energy cost savings, downsizing in cooling equipment, decrease in urban pollution, and increasing the life of the building's roof and walls. Let me explain. There are two primary components of sunlight that reach our Earth's surface: visible and infrared. Visible light is what we see as color and makes up approximately 46% of the spectrum, whereas more than half the spectrum is made up of infrared invisible light. Infrared light doesn't affect color because it's invisible. However, it does have an effect on the rate and degree of heat build-up in homes and commercial properties. Absorbed infrared light is transferred into heat, warming the surface and surrounding areas. Pastel colors are good reflectors of both the visible and infrared light, but conventional dark colors traditionally attract high heat build-up within the building. SolarCoat heat reflective, pastel and dark colors both work by reflecting the visible and infrared light. To demonstrate our coating technology, we painted two panels the same color. The one on the right is painted with SolarCoat heat reflective coating, and the one on the left is painted with standard conventional paint. This video was taken utilizing a thermal imaging camera, which illustrates the temperature difference between the two surfaces. As you can see, the conventional painted panel heats up much faster and to a greater degree than the SolarCoat heat reflective panel. The SolarCoat panel remains cooler because it reflects both the visible and infrared light away before it can be converted into damaging heat. Reflecting heat away translates into savings for the consumer in cooling costs, maintenance costs, and provides a positive result for the environment. Cities are becoming larger and larger. The quality of life is especially important as the urban sprawl increases. Replacement of vegetation which reflects heat with buildings that absorb heat creates a phenomenon known as urban heat island effect. As the name implies, the effect turns cities into islands of heat. The result is a 2 to 5 degree increase in temperatures compared to surrounding areas. International studies have highlighted that the use of heat-reflective building materials could save billions of dollars in air conditioning costs throughout the world. Cooling the world would reduce the CO2 emissions released from power plants and decrease health-related issues caused by the heat. Heat also stimulates the degradation of exterior coatings, but because SolarCoat coatings remain cool, even the darker colors, gloss, elasticity, adhesion, and other physical properties are extended. SolarCoat's heat-reflective coatings maintain a more constant temperature and reduce thermal shock, which occurs when cool rain hits a hot roof, causing a sharp drop in temperature. During temperature changes, a roof expands and contracts, causing stress and degrading the roof. Quite simply, the less heat building up within the coating, the longer they last. Established in 1985, SolarCoat heat-reflective coatings are the first and only range of heat-reflective coatings and pavement texture coatings to win the GAIA Silver Award in 2008. We are a certified member of the Eco-Specifier Green Product Community, and we are also certified by ASTM International Standards. And our colours are in accordance with the BCA Building Code of Australia Section J Energy Efficiency Guideline. SolarCoat's reputation for quality has travelled throughout the world, from Australia, Asia, Europe, and including the deserts of United Arab Emirates. SolarCoat heat-reflective coatings help you design cool buildings without sacrificing colour. Good for buildings, good for energy saving. good for humans and animals, and good for our environment. Choose Solar Coat heat reflective coatings with confidence.